What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today. Getting the brakes right on Meech. My bro Heard done made it over here already. He don't need no introduction. Y'all already know. Y'all see them jokers need some brake, but this the one over here, boy. This the one that was leaking like crazy. Well, it's leaking like crazy, I should say. This the one. I took that joker out, man. All that stuff wet. So we had a leaking wheel sealing, so we might as well just go ahead and do both of them and get it done. So I can have this thing ready for the track. That one leaking?
Yeah, look here.
Damn, that one leaking too.
Yeah.
So a good thing I did get both on, y'all. Cause I ain't checked that one. That one right there leaking so bad.
But I don't see this spring in this bar, so I'm gonna have to use the old ones.
Talking about in the hardware kit?
Yeah, that's why I'm going through all the hardware kits now. We got that for this side over here, on the other side now. That's all this stuff right here. You got these two springs right here that ain't even for this car. Well, they can be used if you don't have these. A lot of people use the spring.
Yeah.
That's what they're for. But you got the stuff, so. Other than that, those are your springs for the other side.
Gotcha.
That's all that for the other side. Those are them two extras that it gives you the choice of the yellow ones with the green ones. Which it comes with the thing in it, so we gonna go back with the yellow ones like it's supposed to be.
Right.
But yeah, you don't have this bar and that spring right there.
Well, as long as we can use the old one, we alright then. It's just that.
Yeah, it's gonna be everything but that. Did you get some brake cleaner?
Yeah, I got plenty of that. I keep the brake cleaner. Y'all know I keep that stocked up in car. I be using brake cleaner like crazy, y'all. We got a whole case of that right here. I keep fluids, y'all. Cause having so many cars and regular cars, man, you got to keep this stuff, man. We got the Valvoline, we got the brake cleaner, rear end additive. What else we got over here, man? We got penetrating oil, more rear end additive, antifreeze, orange antifreeze. Our wife at Escalade use orange and F-150. More oil, rear end dope. I got everything, man. Racing gas, y'all know I keep that. I just keep everything, man. Power steering fluid, and then we need to do this. I got to clean the filter on the L150, man. So I need to go ahead and do that. And I need to make sure I got some racing gas. One of these, yeah, that's it. So I don't need no racing gas for the weekend. We got that 5 gallons. Like I said, I really just need it when I run on nitrous. Like I said, I like to have racing gas in there. On motor when I run on nitrous too, even though I got dedicated fuel system. And after that, man, I'm gonna put me 5 gallons of 93 in a can too, just in case the gas get low, and then I run on motor for the remainder of the day. But I'm gonna try to get a nitrous pass out this thing, man. First hit out the trailer, I'm going on nitrous car. I need to see how it's gonna react on the nitrous. I don't know right now. And after this trip, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rear end, man. Go ahead and have get the rear end on the way, the 9-inch, and then I'm gonna get the upper and lower double adjustable trailing on. So, and then Meech will be done. As far as the back, I have peace of mind. I ain't got to worry about breaking nothing. And I'm going to change the gear ratio too. I'm going to change the rear end gear ratio because it makes so much power. We really don't need all that. So yeah. But what I'm about to do too, well, I heard doing that, man, I'm finna slide on this joker right here. I'm going to pull it back a little bit and slide on this joker car. I got to check something. I got to check something out on Dolo. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, we checking in. So look, I ain't even record, but we had a problem, y'all. This one side, when Herb took this off, man, they had a wheel cylinder on here for a 9.5 inch brake. Ain't no telling how long it been like that, cause y'all know the rim been in here for years. But it was a 9.5 inch wheel cylinder for the smaller brakes, and we had the mounting screws. The mounting screws, man, they wasn't the right ones. So I went to town, got some screws, man, came back. He told me, so we gotta take the hood off. He said take the hood off, so he done hooked it up. But the old stuff, it's still wet over there. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that. This stuff real wet window.
Look at all the shit.
I told y'all, man, that joke.
Look at all that shit to come off of it.
I told y'all, man, that one right there was really.
That shit was caked.
Yeah, that one was really messed up.
2 cans of brake cleaner scraping it. You got all off the back of it and the inside of it.
So he got it. We got it straight now. I told y'all that one was bad. But we finna bleed the brake. I'm gonna take the hood off. So y'all know that means y'all got to go off. So I'll cut y'all on in a minute. Made it back. Trying to come up with something. Rig up this the dash for right now. Try this joker here, man. This one come out easier than Dolo. So look. Oh, y'all can't see. Let's see. Brighten it up enough so y'all can see. There you go. Alright. So y'all see that one right here. Now I got a screw in the other side now, but now my clip done fell out. It's a clip that slide on right there, so kind of like a tag bolt, like the screw, so the screw can screw in there. So what I did, I ran through my bolt beam, my bolt toolbox, and I'm gonna see if I can squeeze the tag bolt thing in here, and then run a screw in it. Way too big, way too big. That was a good idea. I don't know now. I can work with it. If it go, it ain't coming out. See if I can get that thing in here, y'all. All right, so I ended up finding one, and ooh, snap! What the world stopped me? I ended up finding one, man, but I took it from right here. The speaker thing get caught. We ain't gonna use that, and it actually bolts go right there too, but you don't never, people don't never have them no more. They usually have the end bolt, so we gonna run this in here. Oh, I gotta line it up, and then this should get it. So I'm gonna get this button down. Then we're gonna see what happens, y'all. We're gonna hopefully it stay on when we take off. So let me get this button down. All right. So now y'all see. Y'all ain't gotta bother me. Hey, I might take them loose so I can get some more comment, man, cause it bother people so much. Screw right there now. Got screw on both sides. So hopefully that joker don't jump up out of there. But we gonna find out. We're gonna find out in a little bit. But let me put this egg up. Well, let me cover it up. Cover up Grandma Nana. And then I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, I had covered Meech back up, man, but looking at the gas, I said, man, I need to go ride. I need to ride it out. I need to get it up out of there. Today the only day I'm gonna have time and have a chance to get the gas up out of here. Cause we still sitting. Let me see where we at. Sitting right at a little bit over half a tank. But I go ride a little bit, cut it loose a little bit, and come back, it'll be about out. I said at least get it down to about a gallon. But I gotta time it right, man. I gotta make sure I be heading to the house when I'm coming back. I mean when it get low, I gotta be heading back and close by when I'm heading back, man. So we finna ride a little bit since we got the brakes good and stuff now. And what else? I got Grandma Nana put up. I drove it this morning. So we finna bust some block, man. I'm finna see what to this joker, man. The joker moved something earlier today on the wheel, but we finna see what to it, man. I'm finna bust some block, get that gas low, so then we can get it ready for the track. I'm gonna change the tires. I might change today. I don't know. I might change today. So yeah, man. Let's hit the road. Made it back, man. Good little drive. Covered it up. Now I'm really done for the day. I'm really done for the day, man. I ain't jumping in that joker no more until the next time I jump in that joker, I'm gonna be putting it on the trailer and I'm gonna be going down the track. That's the next time I hop in it. So I about got all the gas ran out. I ain't even have to ride that long, man. This thing burned so much gas, it ain't funny. I made excuse me, y'all. I did one pull. I did one pull. That joker spinning the tires per usual. But anywho, the goal was to burn the gas out. We did that. Get it ready for tomorrow. It's supposed to rain. I gotta get up early. I gotta meet somebody, man. Handle some business. Then I hope I catch a break in the rain so I can go ahead and get the tires switched over. If I don't catch a break, then I'm just gonna load it up like it is on the folds and I change the tires at the track. It don't take long, man. I just take the jack and change the tires at the track, cause I take that stuff anyway. So that's what I'll do. Ain't nothing to do to it as far as tune up. It's still on go. Fuel cell for the nitrous on go. Everything's still ready. The main thing was getting the back brake straightened out, which we did thanks to Herb, man. Shout out to Herb. So we got the back brakes straight, so we can have a peace of mind, man. Safely go down the track. And the next thing is just hoping the track hold the power. That's all to it. But I know what I'm going to first hit, man. I'm making a nitrous hit straight off the trailer, man. Nitrous hit. I'm a foot brake, so I won't hit the tires, shock the tire real hard. And yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan, man. Going foot brake, nitrous. If it's too violent, then we'll just come back around, cut it off, and then run on the motor. Try the tram braking motor. If that hit the tires on the line, I'm gonna stop 60 foot Then I'm gonna back up and try it on the foot brake, man. I got to get a solid pass out this joker, man. I want to get one before the year out, but if it don't go this time, I ain't gonna get one before the year out. Like I said, I'm gonna loosen the suspension up, cause the silver dollar sometimes it be slick prep. I'm gonna be on radials. So last time I was down there on radio, man, I was hitting the tire every time. That was in Dolo. That was in Dolo last year. I went to Easy Money event, hitting the tires every time. Boom, boom, knocking the tires out. And I had that joker turn way down back then. So we gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens, man. But yeah, all in all, that's it, man. Didn't that hunt? I hit that joker too, boy. I hate I ain't getting on camera, man. Sometimes I just be riding, I would listen to music, listen to that, I listen to that new Finesse 2 times. Geeked up and then that joker that joker twist up before you know it, boy. Like I said, man, I felt like the old days, boy. I said, turning up. But I ain't catching on camera. Man. It laid down some nice ones too, boy. Y'all know this car here put them down till you take your foot out of it. First, second, and third. Till you take your foot out of it, it gonna keep turning up, man. On these 4s or 15s or whatever. So yeah, we got that done. Like I said, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, man. But I hope I get a break. All I need is a good 10 minutes. I get the tire switched over. Then I won't have to worry about taking extra wheels and tires and stuff. That one less thing I gotta take. And other than that, I'm ready, man. I ordered my little piece so I can put the gauge on the line. I throw that on tomorrow. It's coming tomorrow, so we'll have it in time. Shoot, I'm ready to go. I got 5 gallons of racing gas. I got 5 gallons of 116 if I need it. And that's it, man. So man, little bro gonna hit the track. So y'all stay tuned for that, man. Hopefully we put on a show this time. So yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.